Have you ever wondered what would happen if two of your favorite booty movements, the lunge and the squat, went out for a super hot date? Allow me to introduce you to the Lungester. Two of the best movements to work your legs and your booty are lunges and squats. They are great exercises because they are pretty easy to modify no matter what your fitness level is and what kind of equipment you have. So you can make them harder, you can make them a little easier. So why not take those two really fun, amazingly effective exercises and combine them into one? That's the Lungester. We have a lunge on one leg, a lunge on the other leg, and then a squat or a thruster to finish out one rep. And just as with any other exercise that we do at Fit 15, there are always ways to modify. You can modify lunges, you can modify squats, and you can modify thrusters. You can modify a Lungester to meet any of the needs that you may have, whether you're home with your kiddos running around like crazy, whether you have a full stock gym in your garage or your basement, or whether you're traveling in your hotel and only have your purse or your suitcase with you. The Lungester is an awesome movement to hit a whole bunch of body parts really quickly, making them very time effective and very effective for hitting all the parts that we always want to work. I'm going to show you a few different ways that you can do a Lungester, weighted, any form of a weighted object, or unweighted. That way you can kind of decide how you want to put it into your workout to incorporate full body or booty targeting exercises. If you are now totally in love with Lungesters and looking for some more movements to really target your booty, target your legs, check out my other videos for wall balls, deadlifts, and if you still need some more modification options for your lunges, your squats, or your thrusters, check those out as well. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you soon.